Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Lian. So for today's video, I am going to share to you my removal of conditions timeline and the requirements that I prepared. So as you know, I started this YouTube channel to share my K1 visa and adjustment of status journey here in the United States of America. So guys, if you have a 2-year conditional green card that is expiring, then watch this video. Before I show the documents that I prepared for removal of conditions, let me show you guys my timeline here in the United States of America. October 25, 2023, I arrived here in the United States on a K1 visa. December 6, 2023, I got married. February 1, 2024, I applied for adjustment of status, work permit, and advance parole, and fortunately, all of them got approved. July 14, 2024, I received my 2 years conditional green card. March 9, 2026, I received an email to file my removal of conditions. It is also known as the 120-day notice. After receiving the 120-day notice, I started gathering documents to submit for my removal of conditions. Here are the documents that I prepared, but guys, just a disclaimer, I am not a professional when it comes to immigration stuff. So please make sure to look at the USCIS website for all the things that you need to know. The documents that I prepared for my removal of conditions, number 1 is the cover letter. Number 2 is Form G1450, also known as the payment form. Number 3, G1145, also known as the e-notification form. Number 4 is the Form I-751. Make sure that all of the spellings are correct, no error, and make sure that you and your husband sign it. Number 5 is a copy of my permanent resident card or the 2-year conditional green card. Along with that, you also need to provide documents that shows that your marriage is bona fide and in good faith. So here are the supporting documents that we prepared. First is a copy of our marriage certificate. Next, we also provided a joint tax returns for the year 2024 and 2025. Next, we also prepared a copy of our lease of our house and make sure that both of your names are there. We also provided a joint bank statements that is good for 3 months. We also prepared our phone bill that has our both names and it's good for 3 months. And then of course, we also prepared pictures together. Finally, on May 5, 2026, I submitted my I-751 packet via mail in USPS. And take note guys, the fee that you need to pay is $750. If you are going to file online, it's $700. May 8, I received a receipt notice under the Documents tab that they are going to extend the validity of my conditional green card for 48 months or 4 years. And then May 15, I received an update that they are going to schedule me for biometrics. I am going to update you guys what will happen on my biometrics appointment. Right now, they only share to me that they are going to schedule me, but there is no date and no place yet. I will be back for an update. That's it for my video, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Share your removal of conditions experience so everybody in this channel will be informed. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye!